Dear Dlubal community, the time has arrived. The year 2022 is slowly coming to its end. A year full of new personalities and contacts has passed by. On behalf of our family-owned company, Dlubal Software, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for your confidence, which has brought our company to where it is today, innovative and successful. Your confidence motivates us to do nothing less than our best in the coming year and all the years to come. Our goal will always be to supply you with software that you will enjoy to work with. Thank you for your support. The whole Dlubal team wishes you a beautiful Christmas time and a successful start to the new year 2023.